friends, today we're going to go through some 5-point riddles. Let's see how high your kite flies. What word starts with UND and ends with UND? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Did you get it yet? Yes, my friends, the answer is underground. Moving on to the next one. Forwards I'm heavy, backwards I'm not. What am I? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Wow, this feels impossible. Oh boy, it's heavy. It's a ton. And that's 100 kilograms. And backwards it spells not. Are you surprised to see the answer? Let's see what's in the next one. Name 4 days of the week that start with T. Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Have you got all 4 of them? Let's see. You must have gotten Tuesday and Thursday. But did you get today and tomorrow? Haha! Got you there! Moving on. What kind of room has no doors or windows? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Have you got the answer yet? It's a mushroom. Funny, isn't it? Moving on to the next one. What word in the dictionary is spelled incorrectly? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Don't even think about getting a peek into your dictionary. It's the word incorrectly. Almost got you there. Let's move on to the next one. What is the largest human body organ? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Think! If you don't know, ask your doctor friends. It's skin. Oh, the baby image is hilarious. It's comedy gone. Moving on to the next one. What word starts with E, ends with E, and only contains 1 letter in it? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Have you got the answer yet? It's an envelope. It only contains 1 letter and starts and ends with the letter E. Oh boy, that was surely a tricky one. Let's see what comes next. What runs and never walks? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Here's a hint. It doesn't have any legs. It's a tap. I hope that one made you chuckle. Moving on. What word contains all the vowels? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Yep, you heard me right. All the vowels. It's the word education. Actually, there are lots more. Let me know in the comments section if you know any other words. Moving on. What is red and smells like blue paint? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Any ideas what it could be? The answer is red paint. It's red and it smells like paint. Good, yeah. Amazing, isn't it? Let's see if you can crack the next one. What word starts with T, ends with T, and it's full of T? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. This really warms you up on a cold winter day. It's a teapot. Wow, this one was really good. Moving on to the next one. What is seen in the middle of March and April that can't be seen at the beginning or end of either month? Your time starts now. Tick 1, tick 2, tick 3. Just look at the screen and you'll see the answer. It's the alphabet R. It's right in the middle of both the months. You are one of those intelligent people out there. I hope you got them all right. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for lots more videos like these. Well done. Bye for now. Keep rocking and laughing.